Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to deep clean a pair of 12s. These are the Taxi 12s. These are an 11C, as you can see. Even though they're kid sizes, you're pretty much gonna follow up with the same steps that I do. The cleaning all around, removing the smudges. See a lot of little smudges, some mud on the bottom. And especially like I've been getting a lot of requests on cleaning the shoelaces. How do I get the shoelaces so white? So I'm gonna show you guys specifically what I do to get that bright white on your shoelaces. And then we're just gonna follow up with every single steps. Everything I'm gonna clean up the shoes with, there are household items. And then I'm gonna show you guys everything in the process of what I'm using, how I'm using it, and for how long to use the product on the sneaker. Alright, now that we have the shoelaces removed, we're gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do to get these shoelaces back to white. First thing, I use a little bit of Clorox. After the Clorox, I mix it in with warm water, cold water, put it inside of a bowl, and then I use some Dawn soap. And I just mix them up. I just mix them up together, let them soak for about an hour, 2 hours. And whenever you get them out, just rinse them off. I got some really warm water right here. I'm gonna put the laces in there. Some Clorox, not too much. It's enough to laces correct. I think that'll be enough. And then I use some Dawn soap. So we're gonna put that in there. So while we clean these, we're gonna wait for these to kind of just marinate in there for about an hour or two. Alright, so now we move on to the cleaning station. This is basically where I'm gonna go ahead and just brush the shoes down, clean them up. This is the steam gun. This is pretty much what does the job 10 times faster. A little bit of steam, and then you're able to remove all that dirt, some of the stains. I am using Rejuvenator for the sneaker cleaner. I just put in one of these Dawn bottles. I like to do first, I like cleaning the bottoms first. So if I get the top clean and then all the dirt comes from the bottom to the top again, it's like double the work. So just start with the bottoms and then follow up going to the uppers. So as you can see, most of that has came off. It's just some of those parts. How's it looking like? Alright, so now that we have them pretty much cleaned up, some of those smudges really did come off. Really nice after all the brushing and steaming. The bottom do look clear. They look pretty nice, cleaned up on both of them. Pretty much we're all done. Now I'm just waiting for the laces to dry up. I'm gonna put them back together and then we'll see the final results. I'll show you guys in a couple minutes. These are the final results. No smudging, no anything that we did have before. Back to white laces. I think they came out great, man. Came out super great, super white again. If you want to get your shoes cleaned up, do the same steps that I did, or come and hit us up, local shoe doctor. I got you guys. Appreciate it.